Adom TV Badwam Jumadi eso yede nyame ase wahwe yanso afri juada de besi ene efia atiasefo no so ye ka ho bie Jumadi na ya hyase no ne yede etoso bie mu eye kase ensam no edoso ne etodwa omu bi ya wo betini asantemantemu sa 2024 enua ya yeduedue won ehwe animu sa 2.5 million eye nua made enne won beto apeten yede sansam ni chemu ebebrom Enkramantami mu swafo animeya wono so ehwe nkrakropon yi so womabo awramo ewo ekomok brono bi ewo circle ejato ho ede wani akohwe nsama wodi tu dwa no yede bebro edo ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 kase yi ene dwumadi nkaye no wo ho medidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mu jinsam no sadi nchiremu no etie Forestry Commission ya iwa santimante mu se enede ya ye hyase aduadua nnua no ombehwe na ennua ma 2.5 million die communities ahodo womo ede ebema wo mantam no emo sebe ya Green Ghana Day no wombotaye wo bedu ho na won mu kiremu afra se ede anase mfie miensa ye hye adwumadie no se no won mu adua ennua 14 million Adom TV kase etwaso
mfie miensa atwamu no Ghana for nyina yetimi edua 41 million cedis mpem duana bako cedis yetimi dua no asantima so yomu chefa be 14 million nti santima mu hanyina no ya hombo ayaye eye 2.5 million cedis yeche ama bibiara opese obi na abani bi na eniso de hu se 2.5 nkura no ebi na dwumade no nkwawie no yetimi aboso
Nenkase mu na obu nkonta bi se ohwe afrase enuadua ekọọso wo man mu a asante mantem hade no nko a ohamu abupan eduoson enum enetimi yeye
yekọ akire koye assessment no na chese ebe ohamu nchemu eduoson enum 75% na ayeye na forest so yinhye mu se woye ubie nua no na se ohamu nchemu eduoson enum ayeye na chese dwumade no ekoyie
ne kwakremu na wode adesade to adehye wa asante mantem hanim se obi anhwe mfa ne ho enhye afi enuadua yi mu
me sere obi bia se de akoye national program no obi anfa ne ho nyim wantimi adua kora wo de obi adua ba ko a ye hwe yen sisi current population ina obi adua ba ko a ye hwe no mo students e bedua ebebo yen nyina ama yetimi nya mframa papa home
Enkramantami mu swafo ya wo hweso ra titles global na afei kropon so assembly de ohweso Elizabeth Sakine mpenifo ahodo bi abapro akọ ekomok brono bi a eno ewo circle jato mu no omakobo ani akonhoma ehwehwemu no nsema odi tu dwa kire mu se don hweduonu nan bambo mu beye din fi se wompene emo bi nsa mebo ne sese ewo hobiem Adom amane boni salasia mu etwaso
na many vice president die wo program asie wo teachers hall na kania no dum wo no noin na eka de si wo hai na wo hwe sedia amanfo etitititi good for palonasia dangerous na du be bia ye yenkwa eto atopre wa wonim se bibia wuti emboa ba sebio abasa. And on the 22nd of February 2022, Ejato Hase, Hanyana Eshe, I catcher one say, or be ansamba habio. As Odinti, Yasanyaba. Yem Pesebesi de Tosu Miensa. And to be that is ready at home in Nimse. Mimpesiman will be our Hase, na Maseraway. A catcher was there. Mimpesiman will be our habio. Yet the Asra for no police for the Beguase. Obi Biara, Beunse or Bopatebi, Ewahano, Yabachano. Because this is not habitable. It's not a place for people to live here.
Ebi PMO has ne aba beto PRO a oda eye Ghana Great Company ano meche jifa bampo
ano ye hope say by close of day today no microphone na umunya kanea no umbenya kanea because line way say yedum kanea nti no electricity is running through this line.
And we were fighting, there were a number of explosions that we heard, and that also indicated that there were some gases LP gases there. So they contributed to the fast burning nature of the fire, adding up to the items they had in place. So
idea Adom ka se bedi nsem yachi na de be piem bia no yemfa nka me yahwefo
na wo sa de sre no a osofo hwemantami so de tu dwa se me bia metena ho wo mo emebo sisin ho bie mu no omo de wo mo nte won so ni ba bia akọ ho nso nsem a odi tu dwa eni
the high tension that I was explaining to my colleague that we are here after the demolition. Vanderpoel made the demolition. After the demolition, some years, 2 years before, they came and laid down this high tension. Now we were here before. We were here, there was nothing like this. I don't know whether they use it underground, I don't know, but there was no cable. Rented my place to somebody. So he is the one who lost his properties.
Yeah, because the reason why we are staying here is just for the me time. You know, we are always also to save money and all that things. But someone will be at the back saying this because he is not living here, and he's even living in a better place in a good condition. So because we don't have any place to go, we also come to shelter for here to save money and other things.
So basic cash. Only baby ada. Sisi ana onko yin. Nti ye de mpemfo na me decide to mo anim so mbeboa ye.
But who as Gladys last year has she na wa hase no. Abrabon, how did you pick up?
Last year na hase no. Sa na hase na obi di me call ne dem call me. San say me dan hase. Me ni baby da. Or remyo because me ni baby da. Sa ade chia no na me so me fa me kwan. Ko de da abontin sa na me nya ska ka ko gi dan. E o baby ameti no.
It's about the high tension that I was explaining to my colleague that
Yankwa Sinfosu Polyclinic na wotwe intembe ne fo mienu nie ne beto dwa se one more year sit down strike fi se ne ma bi en shada nkoye mfama wo mo nanso ene ya te den na fi se penifo no won akasa ma won ahye adwuma se apomudefo ana won a won ho dodo won no onya apomuden Adom TV etwaso.
So we need additional staff to ensure the caseload na eho no mbetumi aden akontain nti the share mo no meka say yaka ama abotoyem ayeden aba enura na ye share mo wie no mokoto aso ye de ediom juma menu kasa bibia ekoso wano and afenso so on demand say benya extra staff to come and then augment the current one the regional office the central regional health directorate at the home komo tichiwa omonso so ehwe aboa
owura akonka say mu no watchire di nti empempi no saban ebo doctor beto Asinfosu Polyclinic so o meye adwuma na wo mpese obeba.
There has been instances here located here like the preference ni say or mpese maybe I had maybe a year a chikaka na say ombenyanko mo beben Accra usually that is a challenge I nya ewo hono but said the big can no we've not relented on this yegusone a regional office can say on betumi aye ahwe ama enebi ti omuso eguso a ngidi say ebibeba to come and then augment the current situation.
Afedamodi amanboy efri Asinfosu municipal health
Accra High Court nso application na nsemo owura to forcing and Richard Dakpa ya one more ejina aseni animo wo ambulance nsensemu tro ye sanka court nhwe no so na woni hu dwuma no court boss anema nan nyina nso egui eno nanam so aban lawyer Penny Godfred Yabo Adame ne nsentwefo di nkomo no wo kire se saa ho no nko akra no kire enkunimdie enwonanim National Communication Officer MNDC Samija Mfinso eka ne de se de enura ekoye yamane boni kwadwomensa abrampa ene de achi.
Yes. And what did you notice afterwards? I'm conducting the matter, I'm still conducting the trial. The most important point today is that all the applications filed by the applicants have been dismissed in their entirety. All the 5 applications have failed. And I think that in reaction to this, I would say that clearly shows there's a group of people in this country who ride on manipulation of facts, distortion and deception of the public. They're always seeking to mislead and deceive the public. Today they've been exposed. When I was coming, I had a song in my spirit. head of that church triumphant.
Oye no na owura Sami Jemfia oya national communication officer. Ozima NDC ama yoku a woze da mi tape no ho nsam botu gwa no ze tu gwa de. Se hwe ndeza okodu court na obo judge na abado. Na mbom court no nsam a oze batu gwa de wa bo hon application na ni na agude won court hwe adwe. Na mbom nsam bia osisi ya oye wonda kroyin de court se de za okodu no oye mekire okwana eji onye owura jakwazi nkomo ne te wo kwan foforo obotu wo za afado no obesua aze efum na wohu kwana wo ba fado.
On these interlocutory applications, as a lawyer myself and a student of the law, I must say that I was impressed, and we commend the trial judge. The second has to do with our disagreements with many of the decisions the trial judge made. Be saying in the media that the tape is doctored, it is not admissible and all that. Now that argument has fallen flat. They have X all over their faces. The tape has been admitted, and that is why the judge made copious reference to it in delivering this ruling. And you've seen the line of cross-examination. More tapes are coming up.
Kojo Bensa Abrampa, Adom TV, Yama, Ashafo, Nadrofo, Wanasu, and Kamu, Zoba Kodo, Asama or Kodum, ambulance, try and Ninano, Yabama, Wanaswati.
Adom TV, Badwam Kasiana Augusto, Eshano, na GPLTU, Penny4, Boabai, Quadru, Cheresa, Bino, Enfanani, and Coam, Hokram, Wawomo, Wajuma Yumo, one church need the Makuno, your Goffred, Abumbiri, and building Ghana to Timo, Equa Warm Honsra, and Odin Semi, to Jachim, was a covered the Brimwa by Kai, say a passenger for 1 month. Nankenya, Omote, Shuwe, Nanka. Woye bibi kura no kai wo mpa ke be ye wonde nanso aban ye mfi wo mo e ho nsam Adom TV etwaso.
All our vehicles were asked to take not even to have the number of passengers you carry. We did that. We sacrificed. But surprise, there was some kind of a COVID package, and I believe so what's the name? COVID relief program that came. And they gave to others who were not even near the suffering area. And GPRTU was ignored. We heard it and we wrote. And I believe our letter was in the toilet box. I believe so.
And which must say lorry parks are what about Juma 4 and a year Juma Ewonomoa. Emma were Juma Woyen and Koso. We must say GPRTU. Ebuameni Padudwana Ejumaye and so war bre.
I wouldn't be surprised. The question is, what is it that we are not doing well that we need to suffer to be recognized? In everything that someone does in terms of what? Partner in development of a country, he needs recognition. Bottom line, Your Excellency, what have we done wrong that they don't recognize us? This is our cry, this is our plea. And we do believe, with all said and done, your campaign trials will tell that you are coming back. And I know when you ask them, they'll say yes. And if you are coming back, Excellency, these are critical things that we want you to look at it.
My no so Adom TV, Badwam Kasiana had a brema coin, none of pay, dear CS, don't come out, so de umreka crafam ye. Coswana ni and son of his staff fee. And I did the Obonkrat and see any online stories. No, yet they brought trains to see my baby, you know, Ebesaba.